All right, guys, I am here. We're here for the PM session. See how this works and play out for us. Um, MAQ has been ripping all day. Hopefully, it will continue on its rip. Um, and we'll see if maybe the PM session will just be a continuation of that. Um, Currently up 570 ticks. Stop loss just below this 15 minute should be a 15-minute wick. Okay. We do have a small fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap right here as well. Let's throw that up. Let me take care of something really quick. See if we get another opportunity on the 15-minute to push the stop loss further in the profit. So I won't be able to hold the trade overnight because Apex doesn't allow that. But again, I am looking for and I'm looking to try to maximize these trades. Let's see. I want did that work? Okay. I don't want a 15-minute close below here. So if we get that, then I will move my stop up a little further. Hope you guys are learning a little something. If you do have any questions, please feel free to throw them down in the chat. And, be happy to answer any questions that you guys may have. I think I may end up doing a Apex 25K eval giveaway. Trying to decide what the rules would be if I did that. Let's see if so we did get a breaker set up here. This is based off of the breaker that I took down here. I think it was a 5-minute breaker setup. So that algo spooling has ended, so I'll leave that. Now, the other fib or standard deviations that you guys see here are based off of projection that I have for the weekly. And we'll kind of get into that. Let me see if I can show that to you all. So it's basically based off of the current dealing range. So we had a manipulation here. So I have it there, and this $22,623 flat is where I think we're gonna go for the week. So don't think we'll get it in one day, but so let me just set everything up to where I can kind of see what we have going on. I need to send an email as well. Let me do that. Folks, bear with me. Let me just make some adjustments here so you guys know that I'm still here. So I need to get this email out. Let's see. Um, so that would be changing the state of delivery. Add a little dig here. We got a change of state of delivery there. Um, this would be the breaker block we will want to see created. Go on there. And then this will be the new breaker. And that down close candle did dig into my higher time frame point of interest. So that's the new breaker. I do know that the up close candle is the actual breaker, but just how things have been going lately, I've just been taking the swing high slash swing low of the breaker. But we are doing pretty good on this trade. Currently up 560 plus ticks. Stop losses here. So we're just kind of trying to let everything play out. Um, let's see what I'm up on the eval account. Currently, all right, so for the day, it's about $900 running profit. Um, Currently locked in at $617.20 profit on the 25K eval. Got to get that to 26.5. And the running account balance right now is 25,000, a little over 900, $25,900. Um, so that puts me at 600 more bucks to pass this eval account. Don't know if I get it today, just because I may end up getting stopped out. But at least we'll get stopped out in profit. Don't know how the freaking and I say that because I can't stand the trailing drawdowns um, that these companies do. But as I stated previously in the Discord that I'm a part of, um, it's kind of hard not to take advantage of the discounts that Apex provides. It's just so cheap. So we'll just kind of play this out and see what happens, you know. See what happens. Uh, uh, Let me do it like this, just to make sure everyone knows exactly. I think I can work that better. Need 15 minute to respect. All right, let's see. Really no change. Let's see if we get this change instead of delivery. Right. We did get a change in state of delivery. Retest of the change in state of delivery. So if you were, or if I was taking change in state of delivery um, entry, then I would be in now. Um, what I like to see is um, just for better confidence is a respecting of the change in state of delivery and the formation of the breaker block. Preferably a retest and respecting of the breaker block. So, and we'll do projections. I'll do projections once that is taken care of as well. Now we can go ahead and do projections off of the change in state of delivery. So if I did that, let's change this to, I'll just change this to this fuchsia color. Now let's change it to, you can't see that, can you? Yeah, let's change it to that for the change in state of delivery. So probably want to be, if you did take that, or if I did take that, because this is not trading advice, but if I did take that, um, if you're doing proper account risk management, you probably want to be fully out at $22,146 if the trade does go in favor. Don't know if I'll be on for the entire PM session. 4 hours is a long time. Got to get my engagement up to really make me want to do that, but let's see. So we've had like another test of that change, like one, two, three total tests of the change in the state of delivery candle. You technically we can call this a order block because it did take out. Let's see, the 150 and 151 would be the order block that I would pick. So you got like that little piece right there. Um, so let's see. Got about 20 more seconds left in this 1 minute candle. I'm gonna grab something to drink. I will be right back. All right, guys, I am back. Doesn't seem like that change instead of delivery is working out, which is fine. But like I told you guys before, you you'd rather see a breaker. I'd rather see a breaker set up. I will take a change instead of delivery, and and hug that with my stop loss. But breakers are um, they show more of a sign of supporting price. If you ask me. Let's see how this 15 minutes is doing. So far, respecting it. Previous 15-minute down close candle, respected it. We have a volume imbalance up here, so there's still work to be done um, to the upside, but we'll let it do its thing. Fair value gap there. Fair value gap there. Like I say, I want to see price respect, not disrespect, but just respect this this area that I have marked out here. Let's see how those calls are doing. Doing pretty good. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 10 out of 14 going up. So I'm looking to hold those until next Monday. Hopefully they all will close out in profit, expire rather, in profit. We can talk about those some if you guys would like. Just throw it down in the chat if you like to. So we are currently up 553 ticks on this trade. Got a little over 7 minutes left for this 15-minute candle. Let's drop down to the 1 minute and see if price is gonna finally produce 1 minute support for bullish price action. So another change in state of delivery. So far respected. This is still the breaker. The swing high. Up the breaker rather. Well, this is an indecision candle, so yeah, I would consider these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 up close candles as the breaker. So, but the breaker does not form until we get a close above that high. You can't consider it a breaker. I wish I could find an indicator where I can just have like my our trade results. Just kind of like sitting here. Stuff. Just keep going with this to show you guys. We're up 560 ticks right now in this trade. I think we will continue up. So if I get stopped at first. How has you guys trading been today? All right. It looks like we're gonna get that breaker formation. Just need a 1 minute close above this blue line. And that would just give me better confidence that price will continue up for a little bit. All right, that the breaker has formed. I want to get a retest. You guys are looking to trade that. I'm already in the trade, so I'm not looking for another entry. Currently up 600 plus ticks. Want to see if I can pass this eval. Two minutes before the 15-minute counter closes. So if we can get it to respect this gray area that I have marked here and close above the 145 15-minute candle, that would be great. That would be great. So you got your test of the breaker. So if you guys were taking a, well, excuse me, not trading advice. If I was taking that breaker, then that would be my entry, and I like to manage mine based off of um, projections. So we'll lock that in. Typically like to take majority off at a one standard deviation, um, and take a little bit off. So I'm usually trading with five micro contracts. So I usually will take three contracts off at one standard deviation, uh, one contract off at two standard deviations, and get out with the last contract at four standard deviations. So I'll leave that there. So this will be break even, and it's very small. So I want to make sure you guys can see it. So that would be three contract partials break even, one contract partials there, and flow out here. So that's what I would do. All right, so this 15-minute did close above here, so I would want price to do this. Let me see. Oh, I'm in the wrong tool. That's a pretty long wick, but all right. So I'm gonna move my stop loss here. Um, and what I'm doing is a couple of things. So this 15-minute zone, right? So far we've come in, tested it, respected it, and closed above the high of a 15-minute candle. So I want to see price to continue up. So that's been respected. It also tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap and respected it. And then if we come back down to the 1-minute breaker that I had set up, um, that is that's been created and respected as well. And so I'm nestling my stop below there. So currently I'm up 640 ticks on this, which is not a lot. It's probably like $300 with a one micro contract. Let me see. Yeah, it's like 318.50 with the dollar price um, that I'm up. But the account is at running profit 25, 935, 940, kind of 936. Um, So not a lot of um, I don't have very far to go to pass this eval, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it will just keep riding and hopefully I can go ahead and pass this eval. Um, so I've been catching it passing these last set of evals. I think I bought three, and this is the last one. So just a little transparency. Almost at the 3 contract parcels. If it was taking this breaker setup. Or if I had taken that breaker setup. Are you guys not able to comment? I'm not seeing comments. Can someone comment for me? Just I can know. Hello, you can comment hello, goodbye, you suck, you can't trade, whatever you want. Just let me know that the chat is working. If it's not working, you guys can go on a previous video, comment on that video. I should get a notification and let me know if it's working or not. Dang, I just got a notification about Jamie Foxx. Man, he just did a special. A glass was thrown in his face. Oh, okay, somebody threw something in his face. It's not himself. Dang, Jamie, you out? Jamie out in the streets fighting? Come on, Jamie, you're too old for that. Unless you were defending yourself. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Cool, I keep pushing. Guys, give me 2 seconds. All right, I'm back. Not a literal 2 seconds, but I'm back. You guys have any questions for me? Comments, concerns, criticisms? right. If you don't want to comment, can I get a like? I think I know what I'm gonna do for my giveaway. I think I'm gonna do a certain number of likes. Let's say 100 likes. I'm gonna need a video to get 100 likes before I get off on the stream. So that means that I'm gonna have to have some engagement. You're gonna have to share. All right. You're gonna have to, once I get that 100 likes, you're gonna have to screenshot that you have liked the video within that time frame, and that is how you'll enter into the drawing. I think we'll do that. I think we'll do that. I think we'll do that. I got to get the engagement back up. Thank you guys who went ahead and liked the video as well. You need some?
Oh, I was so wait, hacky sack. I was hoping a friend on Blue One.
Oh, it's okay. No, just a second.
Okay, I'll play after.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So I think those are reasonable rules. I probably won't do 100 likes because engagement is down right now. I might do something. Thank you, my man. Thank you, Daniel Greenleaf. Thank you for your comment and your follow through. But um, might do like 25, 50 likes or something like that, and then just have you to screenshot, and I'll choose a winner first, and then that winner is gonna have to screenshot that that they um, that they did like the video within that time period, and we'll go from there. Uh, Dang, I appreciate you, man, because now I do know that the chat does work. um, but I appreciate you, man, for just coming through and showing some type of support slash engagement. I appreciate that. Yeah, man, it can be, and it can be a grind, and I know it's partly because of me. Oh, my P&L today, I would show it on screen, but I don't. I'm old school. I don't want to show my account, but I do periodically give updates. So far for the day, running profit, I'm at $927. Um, I'm currently on this trade. I've entered in with 5 contracts, and I've been taking partials, so I only have one left. So with this current trade, I'm up like 300 plus. Um, I am trading a 25K Apex eval account. So right now, what I have locked in is $25,617.20. But with the running profit, I'm at $25,925 right at this moment. So doing pretty good today. Doing pretty good today. Hopefully it'll just keep running up before market close, and I can just be done with this eval. Um, so just trying to get back in the swing of things with these eval accounts. I passed a few in the past and ended up losing the PA account. Um, so This I bought free when they were running the 90% um, discount. So this is the last one of those three. So the other ones I just kind of blew it. Trending days are rough for you. Yeah. Um, I think more so for me, like I could do trending days, but I guess, because ICT, he kind of has us kind of looking for liquidity to be swept and manipulation and stuff like that. That kind of what kind of messed me up because I'm not saying he messed me up, but I messed myself up just having that train of thought and not being able to get in on a continuation. But I think that my mindset and psychology right now will allow me to do that. So uh, yeah, trading at all times. Yeah, I was the same way. I think that's how I blew out those last two evals. Yeah, just like see if we take a look, because I have them. I still have everything marked out. Um, like the past few weeks, like last week was not a very big mover. We were going down for a period, going up, going down. Um, the week before that, when we were at all-time highs, breaking this portion right here, I'm expecting for it to come down and get into discount of the entire dealing range. So that just kind of that threw me. And like I said, now just being able to get in and know what I'm looking for to get in on a continuation, of the trend, seems to has helped me better. So yeah, um, that's that. Are you trading eval accounts, or you have your own personal account that you trade if you're trading futures or forex or whatever? So I do options. I do options as well. Like I have these calls set up, and one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight of the 14 are in profit right now. So um, just too funny right now, man. That's enough. That is enough. Yeah, I trade primarily MNQ as well. Um, so may try to get like maybe 500 bucks saved, and maybe just open up like a Ninja Trader account and just trade like one micro contract off of that, and maybe just shoot for like $200-300 a day, um, and just close out and try to build that. Eventually, that's what I want to do. Even if I do pass eval, I want to use those payouts to fund my own personal account. So, but that's good, man. You've got two funded accounts. That's awesome. Making real money. You're making real money. I'm working on getting back there. Okay. Your goal is a personal XPX account. That's what's up, man. Yeah, we gotta have those goals. New Year's resolutions. Life resolutions. Let's go. Yeah. You're exactly right. Take that money from the funded accounts and trade that. Yes, sir. And it is a long road. Um, I apologize. I know my stream is behind a little bit. That's just because I hate to be buffering. So All right, Dave, I appreciate you, man. You too, man. You have a great day, man. Be blessed. Thank you again. All right, let's take a look on the 15 minute. We're still respecting that area. So I want to see it respected and then close above a 15-minute high or candle high, not necessarily like swing high. And that way I can just go ahead and be confident in moving my stop loss up a little bit more. You gotta see that this is what happens to me frequently, especially when I lost those two accounts. Price would get here and just turn around completely, actually. Um, but today has been a blessing for me. I was able to kind of get in early down here. I've been in since, what is that? $21,976.50. So pretty much been on the chart since 7. That's usually when I start looking for trades. So I haven't been streaming since 7. I've been streaming since a little after 9:30. Stop at the 11:30 mark, and now we're back for the PM session. So you guys don't mind if I have a cigar, right? All right, we got about a little less than 8 minutes left in this 15-minute count. Let's see if it can push its way on up and close above the last 15-minute candle. So I want the 2:30 15-minute candle to close above the high of the 2:15-minute candle, or it doesn't have to. Really, as long as it closes above the low, then that will kind of still give me reason for price to continue to continue to go up. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. So let's see. This was the change in state of delivery here. Okay. Well, actually, it closed above, got a retest of that. The actual breaker will be here, right? Let's go ahead and throw that on. All right. So you need to close above that breaker. Give me further confluence that price. I'm sorry, that's not the breaker, guys. I'm sorry. Y'all gotta let me know when I'm messing up. That's the breaker. Now we're getting a retest. So if I was trying to get into another trade, I would be in now. Not trading or financial advice, but that's where I would be. I would be in there, and I know some of you guys are gonna hate me for it, but my stock would be down below this low. So this is the original PM breaker, if you will. That's what that is. I don't want to clutter up the charts. You guys are probably already looking at this on a small screen, but this would be my setup for this one. Let's see. I'll just make these white. So I'll be looking at take three contract partials at $22,155.75 and be full out at $22,212 flat. That's if I was taking that breaker setup. But what I'm going to do is use that. I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes. See if we can get this 15 minute to close up here, and I'll move my stop further in profit. So again, we're up 644 ticks. So let me think about this really quick. So if this 15-minute does not close, let's say if the 2:30 15-minute candle does not close above the 2:15 15-minute candle, but it does close above the low, then my zone for support would be 50% of the wick. But if it does close above, my zone of support would be 50% of the body. And I'll show you guys that depending upon how it closes. Got about 3.5 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Oh, I'm sorry. Uh, calling him David. It's Daniel. Daniel Greenleaf. I just subscribed to your channel, Daniel. If you're still here, I know you said you were leaving, but I just subscribed to your channel, man. I appreciate you. Anybody else, if you subscribe to my channel, I will subscribe back. So just let me know that you subscribe, and I'll shoot over it. I will subscribe to your channel. We all need to be helping each other out. Helping each other out, man, because to me it just seems like, man, these YouTube traders, man, they kind of forget where they come from, man, and just stuff just be crazy. So I want to get to a point to where I'm solid in my trading, and I can just really just provide free value, man, just free value. Shout out to ICT, man, and anybody else who provides free value, who's a solid trader. That's where I want to be. I just want to help. I just want to help, man, because it's hard out here. It is hard out here. I'm 42 and still trying to make it, you know. Um, so yeah, that's where we all need to be, man. Start YouTube channels, start groups, and just support one another, man. Support one another. Um, Click on each other's affiliate links. Um, give each other the views, give each other the likes, the comments, the subscribes, and man, just helping one another just make it. You know, we have these various social constructs and financial constructs in place, and everybody needs each other, man. But anyway, all right. So this is starting to reject the 50% of this candle, but this low has already been met. So um, I'm still thinking go bullish, right? I'm still thinking go bullish here. Um, and I think I'm gonna be looking for support. I want to see support in this wick. So I'm just gonna do a wick CE right here. Where is it? I'm on the wrong one again here. Let me, just so you guys can see. Let's make this white. And I'm gonna slide this over so you guys can see that. Let's lock that. So we don't want to see 15-minute close below here. All right. So this candle, because this was the last candle that that tagged this little support zone right here, I'm waiting for price to close above the 2 o'clock 15-minute high. Oh no, I'm sorry, I've already did it. So I would need a candle to close above the 2:30 15-minute high. Actually, I apologize. The 2:15 because 2:15 had created a swing high. All right. So if I can get a candle to close above the 2:15, the 2:15 15-minute candles high, then I can move my stop loss below this zone right here. So I'm trying to use a higher time frame because I typically like to trade on the 1 minute. But I think I recall ICT saying that the 15-minute time frame is like the intraday time frame that you want to go with, right? As far as, and from how I interpreted it, the 15-minute, you can base like your stop, just your trade management and the structure, the chart structure or price structure. You can manage it better with that than opposed to trying to drop down and manage it on a 1 minute market structure. So I want to see that. So I'm just gonna get rid of this because that's just a lot on the chart. I already have a lot going on here. So hopefully you guys can see that better. So yeah, I don't want to close past here, which I don't know. I need to set. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna set up a field really quick for that. All right. This quick. Boom. Close past here. at 14. Um, I'll just make that white. Let's do a wick sheet. Save that. All right. And let's get rid of that. Cause I like to be able to see price points and everything, so that's why I'm wanting to do that. Do it like that. All right. Let's move this over to the left. Man, why did it go over there? It's because I'll leave it. OCD guys, I'm sorry. Text, left, middle. I don't know why I pushed it all the way over there though. Anyway. So we have all right, so we had price to respect the wick CE. I'm just gonna get rid of this too. We had price to respect the wick CE of this candle, right? So that's been respected. So you want to see a close above there. And if we see price close above the wick CE of the 230 15-minute candle, then more than likely it may continue past this one, but this is the main one that you want to see a candle close. And I want to see a close above this high to be able to move my stop loss further up in profit. Bro, don't close to 23,000. That's a huge swing. Yeah, I'm not I I'm not purposely trying to close. So I think we might be on the same page. Let me see. Somewhat. So I'll be full out at $22,623, but that was just my projection for the week. You're saying 23,000. Man, if this was a personal account, I would be able to hold it, but I'm gonna have to get out before 4:59, right? Because I'm on it. I'm on an eval account with Apex, and Apex automatically closes you out. And I don't think they actually honor where you're at in profit. I think they only honor like what you have actually taken out. So that's why I am trying to swing it, but I'm only trying to swing it until 4:59. But I do want to gradually move my stop loss up into areas that I'm comfortable with, just to kind of, um, I guess, just pacify the trailing drawdown, the stupid trailing drawdown that they do. How close you think we are to a 5% correction on MAQ or for the market as a whole on NASDAQ? I mean, I really NQ or SPY. Man, I haven't really looked at NQ or SPY for a minute. I mean, I've looked at them, but I haven't actually like did any like chart analysis. Let's take a look. Man, to tell you the truth, I don't know because like so you can see like yeah, I've looked at it before like in the past. I still have stuff on my charts. Um, but typically what I do is I'm looking at the dealing range, right? And so for me, the dealing range is like, say, for instance, a bullish dealing range would be I would look at current price and then I would follow price back to where we've taken liquidity. All right. So the next spot that we took liquidity was here. All right. So if we were to turn like right here, if we were to turn around, I would be looking for at least a 50% pullback. But you're saying like 5%. I really don't know, my man. Um, and like these dealing ranges, like for instance, the last dealing range was from this low because this low it has taken out previous lows to the left of it, right? And then you just keep following it up until you get a 50% pullback, which it gave us more than a 50% pullback here, right? And then it started going back up. So that's pretty much how I do it, and I just learned that from ICT. As far as when he talked about dealing ranges, I know some people do. They follow what I call a price range, and all that is basically the most recent um, the most recent push, right? So that would be here. Let me change this so you can see a little bit. So we had a swing low here, and so um, that's where I would anchor the bottom of my fib. Sorry about that. Give me 1 second. Let me. That's where I would anchor the bottom of my fib and wait for a high to form to see if we're gonna get a pullback. And I'm I'm coming from a supply and demand swing trading background, so like I'm immediately drawn to the weekly chart, and so that's where I'm looking for everything at. But anyway, TMI. But I guess to answer your question, I'm not 100% certain. I don't know. I don't know how far we are. Um, I probably wouldn't know until it actually happens, and I would look to try to get in from there. But sorry, don't 100% know. I'm not in control of the markets, and I'm not saying that you were saying that we are or that I'm supposed to know or anything like that. But um, yeah. All right, so 2 minutes before the close of this 15 minute. But thank you, Q Data. Thank you, Pablo. Thank you guys for tapping in, man. I appreciate that. Are you guys subscribers to the channel? If so, I would like to go over and subscribe to your channel. I'm just asking because I'm short NQ and I don't know if I need to close it right now or wait a pullback. Yeah, that's tough. I will tell you right now what I'm looking at on this 15-minute price action. This 15-minute price action is kind of showing me that it's kind of wanting to turn around here in a little bit. Um, so you might. This is not trading advice. This is not financial advice. But you just got to go based off of what you think. Um, but you might you might kind of be ahead of the curve as far as a market maker sell model. But you just got to go based off of your risk. How much can you afford to lose? Um, And there's nothing wrong with getting out and then getting back in. Like when you're certain that it's gonna go down and you have a setup for a decent, risk to reward. So there's nothing wrong with that. This 15-minute price action, as of right now, is looking like it's wanting to turn around. So I low key want to move, or I low key am gonna move my stop up because I want to bank as much as possible. Currently up 600 ticks. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just move my stop up because look how we just keep getting a rejection of it's 50%. So basically we swept liquidity right here, right? We swept liquidity, so we could kind of go up and see if a breaker setup forms to the downside, which it already has. This low, right? Took out these highs here. So this is the bearish breaker right here. This would be my bearish breaker if I was looking for sales. So and we're getting tapped in. So if this is respected, let's see. This would be my projection for this sell trade. Let's do the breaker setup. So yeah, I just got the feeling that the moment I sell, the market dip. Oh, I'm sorry, I sell, the market will dip. Yeah. So right now there is a on the 1 minute there is a bearish breaker that has formed, and we've had one retest. This is the second retest of it. Um, there's actually a unicorn setup right here. So it's very possible that the market could come up and tap into this 1 minute FVG and then, head down for a unicorn setup. But like I said, right now I am in a bullish trade. And so I'm just because I'm in a bullish trade, that's all. I follow the market, but just because I'm in a bullish trade, um, I'm wanting it to continue up because if this breaker does hold, I think that we'll probably get all the way down to $22,062.75. So if you guys are looking for sales, this might be an opportunity. Might. So not trading advice, not financial advice. If you want to get in, you can. If not, just kind of do your thing. But I am here to help, like, as much as I can, but not trading advice. Contradicting myself, right? But I'm not profitable enough to on this ICT side to take any advice that I have to give. So currently it is respecting that bearish breaker. But yeah, I hate to be against you guys, but I want this thing to continue up just because I'm already in a buy. So but we'll watch this and we'll see if it plays out. This would be the unicorn. This would be where I would take it at if that's what I was trading. Talking 6, almost 7R, that's not bad. I mean, we've been going up all day, like literally all day. So it's probably time for correction. It's 3 o'clock. We got the well, we're in the middle of the 250 to 310 macro. We're at the start, or just past the start of the 3 to 4 p.m. Silver bullet. So I mean, it's very possible it's time for this thing to turn around, but I'm just not ready for it just because I'm already in a bullish trade. So I'll leave that on. I don't want to clutter my chart more than what it is because I know that kind of looks crazy trying to watch that on YouTube. Let's see if it respects this fair value gap. This would be the unicorn entry right here. You might want to wait for confirmation if that's what you were looking for. We got the 50% of this wick CE. So it did close above it, but it looks like it could be turning around immediately. See, 15 minute, like I said, 15 minute, I definitely wanted to see it close above the wick CE here just to continue my trade. But it's all good because I mean I've been profiting all day. So if it's time for the bears to take over, then it's time for the bears to take over. So yeah, it's still pushing higher, but still 8 minutes left in the this 15-minute candle. So could just be taking more buy side liquidity before it wants to head down. So I'm gonna close that. I need to take that off because I do want it to close. Oh yeah, I don't want it to close past there. So we're still reaching, still alive so far. See, I'm up almost 700 ticks. It should be about 400 bucks. See, it should be 3 something right now. Yeah, it's like 334 right now. My son wants to play the beanbag toss. So I'm kind of, yeah, I kind of want to. No, I'm not even gonna say I don't want to get stopped out, but I do need to go play with him. But we can keep going until about 4:59. It'll be all right. Still have enough daylight time to get a game or two in. I might just take you guys out there with me. I'm chilling in the garage on my laptop, so not an elaborate setup. So pretty portable. So it is what it is. All right. Let's see if we can get this bad boy to close above the 245 15-minute candle. That'll give me a new zone to be able to push my stop loss up a little more. I do appreciate you guys for stopping by, man. I respect you guys' time. So, if you guys have any questions, man, I feel like I'm in the zone, man. I'm in the zone. I've been at this thing for a minute, trying to get better with ICT concepts and the ICT psychology. That's really what messes me up, man. And just over trading, man, because I'm just constantly on the charts, trading the Asian session. Um, if I get up in the middle of the night, like looking to see if I can get into a trade, which is bad, it's horrible. Don't do that. Stick to your time, stick to your kill zones, and I know that. But for whatever reason, I can't take my own advice. So um, I'm looking pretty much, you know, just looking to trade the Asian session, which is the I use the ATM, the 2024 ATM model. I guess that's what he calls it, Asian session model or whatever. Um, and then from 7 to 11:30, and then from 1:30 until 4:59. Uh, Come on, give us a close. Give me a close. See now with this 245 15-minute candle sweeping the high of the 230 candle, then closing below, I would be looking for the low of the 245 15-minute candle to at least get touched, right? Um, just because of like my understanding with I don't know what you call it, but the algorithm, if you will, um, that's an algo target, and um, I like to see it go ahead and get touched before continuing up, because in the back of my mind, I'm thinking that hey, that's an algo target. Market's gonna come, it's gonna come back and at least touch it, right? But more than likely, it just goes past it. But yeah. So I'm just trying to follow this thing, man, as high as I can. So if I at least get a close above this wick, thinking price will still continue to go up. If not, then it's probably going to come back and touch the low of the 245 candle. Yeah, it is definitely throwing up wicks though to the top side. So we're probably going to be looking for a reversal, maybe for the last 45 minutes. I don't know if you guys can You guys can't see that, can you? That's a little time frame alignment that I follow. Trades, entering the trades management. If you have any questions about that, let me know. All right, 17 seconds left, and it looks like we're getting a close below this wick CE, so we're probably gonna see price head down lower. So yeah, we got to close below there. So this will be the next one. We want to see price close above here, get me a little bit more confidence to move my stop loss further in the profit. Currently up, what, 600? You guys see that? 673 ticks. So we'll see. Change that to I want a close past here. All right, I want to close past it. I want a 15-minute close past this wick CE, preferably above the 3 o'clock 15-minute candle. It's high. Can you guys see that? I still don't think you can see that. Let's try like that. You guys will be able to see that. Let's see how my call options are doing. It looks like they're dwindling though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it's still at 8. 8 out of 14. So hopefully by next Monday, all of these will be in the green. So it's just the first day, so I expect a possible pullback on these, but hopefully next Monday, all these will be in the green. I have a little strategy that I'm trying out with those, and seem to be going pretty well. So we'll see. You guys want to hop down on that 1 minute? Watch me lose my mind watching this 1 minute. It's like I was saying earlier, where was it? Was it here that we were thinking that this breaker setup was gonna work? Looking for a unicorn, and it didn't work. So yeah. Another thing I do is it's really based off that 4 hour, man. So the 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. 4 hour candle, it closed above the previous 4 hour candle. So yeah, expecting for this to keep going, man. Just hope I don't get stopped out before 4:59. Really 4:58. Get out. Get out before they close me out. Hopefully I don't lose power. or internet, right? I have to hop on my phone though. Make sure I close out. Got 11 more minutes before the 15-minute candle close. How's you guys trading going so far? We do have a bullish breaker here. Let's go ahead and throw that up. Got a bullish breaker right there that price is working with. But again, I am waiting for 15-minute confirmation to be able to give me another zone to move my stop loss up. And I'll explain that again for you guys. But that's that 1 minute bullish breaker. All right, this high took out these lows, and then it was closed above. Closed above here, came in, retested. What did I just do? How about that? I mean, it's kind of like a cascade of like bullish breakers, right? This high took out some lows. Okay. And I'm just going based off the high. I know bullish breaker is the last up close candle slash series of up close candles, but I just go off the high just because how my trades have been going. But we got one here. It broke retest. It's been respected. Had swing highs closed above it. So far, price is supporting still supporting bullish narrative. So we'll keep going. So we've got about 8 more minutes in the 15-minute candle. Definitely want to see it close above this wick. More preferably above this high, just the 3 o'clock high. So hopefully we get that. Get a close above here. So the 15-minute to close above here. Get rid of that. 15-minute close above there. I mean, this could all be manipulation, right? Could be right in the head down. Yeah, we'll probably head down because let's see the 5 minute. It's 5 minutes on. So yeah, we're probably gonna head down. Probably not gonna get a chance for 15 minutes. We got like all these weights, man. We do have a 5 minute breaker right here. I'm gonna move my stop below that breaker just because. Just for GP, right? Just for GP. I want I want to secure all the profit that I possibly can. Today has been a really, really good day, and um, when I start over doing the Asian session tonight, I want to be really, really close. Um, I want to be really close to passing this eval. Let's see if we get this 15 minute. Yeah. 2:20 left. It's 15 minute candle. Yeah. 18 seconds left. So we're gonna close above that CE. Currently have my stop in profit nestled up under a 5 minute breaker, bullish breaker. So hopefully that continues to be respected. and we can etch out a little bit more profit. About 35 seconds left in this 15-minute candle. Hopefully we can get a close above that CE, man. Preferably a close above the previous 15-minute high. Because if we sweep it and then close below it, then yeah, I'm expecting for prices to go lower. But if we hold above this CE, this week CE, then I'm gonna say we're still bullish. I'm still bullish. Let's see. I'm still bullish. All right. I am still bullish. I am still bullish. So let's see. All right. So now, if we can get price to continue to respect this zone right here and close above this high, then I can move my stop up. I can be confident in moving my stop. My wife be closing that door like she mad, don't she? See how the 1 minute respects it, if it respects it. I may need to pull back, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it where it is. My stop loss.
Hey, that's coming in good.
So this 1 minute fair value got past inverse. So we're probably gonna go ahead and start moving down and get stopped out, and we'll regroup for tomorrow. But a pretty good day all in all. Currently up 634 ticks. You guys can take a walk with me. My wife is complaining, saying that my smoke is coming into the house. I don't want that. So, all right. Looks like we're getting ready to get stopped out. So it's all good if we do. Time for the bears to get a little bit. Trying to see if I can possibly get a reason to push it up a little bit more. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Bulls might still be alive. We might still be alive. We might still be alive. I don't know. We might still be alive. Oh. Oh. Those vital signs are dropping. Looks like those vital signs might be dropping. Look like those vital signs might be dropping. Come on, where's the defibrillator? Breathe some life. Come on, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Got a little less than an hour and a half left in the market. Let's keep going. Uh-oh. I don't know, guys. Might be alive. We might be alive. Let's see how this 15-minute, excuse me, this 1 minute fair value gap. Maybe it won't hold. Maybe it won't hold. Keep going, baby. I'm sorry, Bears. I'm a bull today. I'm a bull today. Come on, baby. Man, we've been in this trade for a minute. Been in this trade for a minute. Been in this trade since $21,976.50. Come on, we got bull history. Can't just throw it all away. Let Monday be the low for the week. Let me grab my tea. I'll be right back. Come on, baby. Keep going. Nope. Oh, we're dying. We're dying. We're dying. Oh, heart rate going back up. Come on. Ah, come on, baby. Go. Oh no, this might be it. This might be the revitalization we need. Come on, baby. Bull's still alive. This bull, anyway. I just, come on, man. I need that heart rate to pump back up. Let's go. Keep going. Yeah, I think we did it. You guys think that's it for the Bulls for today? Come on. Push. Push. 3 minutes. Oh, this 15-minute candle. I mean, we're already past like 50% of the zone. So I was wanting to stay above. So, it is what it is. But the algo target for the 315 low has already been met, or it has been met. So, but we do have the algo target of the 245 low. So I may end up getting stopped out and then watch the market, pump a little bit, give us another pump. But it's all good if it does, man. We'll just get back in tomorrow. I'm expecting a bullish week, or projecting a bullish week, but we'll see. Let's see. Currently up $935. So again, we're at 25,930. Running profit on this 25K ether. I gotta get it to 26.5. So I mean, that's only what, 700 more or 600 more. So I just maybe we've taken enough sell side liquidity to keep pushing up. I hope that's the case. Come on, baby, we still alive. Push. 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 gonna deliver this baby, known as this 25K eval. Push. Push. Man, that 1 minute civvy, man, is holding its ground. That 1 minute civvy say it's not running, it's not ducking, it's not dodging, it's right here. There it go. I'm out. I'm out. What a day. What a day. What a day. Close that. Here. Let me show you guys this real quick. So let me show you guys. So we're almost done with this eval. I hope you guys can see that. Hope you guys can see that. So good day today. Not bad. Not complaining. I'm happy. And so that's gonna be it, guys. That's gonna be it for me for today. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, tapping in, just being a part of the stream. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So if not tonight for the Asian session. So all right, guys, until next time, as always, I pray a safe trading and investing for you all, and catch you guys next time. Y'all be good.